Dear students, today our topic is article. Though I have taken the classes of article in the previous time, but today I have come here to take the classes of articles. In the previous classes, I have taken the usage of a and the. Today I will talk to you about the omission of a and the, where a and the are not used. Okay, so you see here rule number one, a and the, and the, these three articles are not used. A and the are not used before the name of Allah or God. We will not use a and the before the name of Allah and God. Okay, see here two examples. Allah has created the universe, so cross. We will not use here an or the. You cannot say an Allah has created the universe, or you cannot say the Allah has created the universe. Okay, dash God alone can help us, cross. God alone can help us. But okay, you look here, I have given a note. If an adjective is used, is placed before the name of Allah and God. If an adjective is placed or is used before the name of Allah and God, then we will use the before the adjective, okay, or Allah and God. You see here, dash Almighty Allah always wishes our bright future. So Allah, you see here Allah, and there is also an adjective before Allah. So I have used here the before the name of Allah. Okay, Almighty Allah, Sarva Shaktiman Allah, that is used here. But if there isn't an adjective, you must not use the. Okay, if there isn't any adjective before the name of Allah and God, you will never use an or the. Okay, now you see rule 2. The is not used before the name of meals. The is not used before the name of meals. Okay, here I have given an example. We have dash breakfast at 9 o'clock in the morning. Breakfast means meals. Breakfast means meals. A meals of morning time. Okay, meals of morning time, or meals which we take in the morning. So we have dash breakfast at 9 o'clock in the morning. So that is breakfast. That is meals is mentioned here. So I will use here cross. I will use here cross. I will never use an or the before the meals. Note, an, a oblique and plus adjective plus means. That means if there is an adjective before the meals, then we will use an or the. If there is mentioned an adjective before meals, at that moment we will use a or an. So you see here, I had a good breakfast yesterday, breakfast meals, okay, and there is an adjective before breakfast. So I have used here a. You can ask me why not an? Because the adjective good begins with a consonant sound Z, okay, and for this reason I have used here a. But an dash interesting breakfast, so an interesting breakfast. Okay, now go to the another example, another rules. Rule 3, A N oblique the. A N oblique the are not used before abstract noun, and material noun. Okay, the, an and the, or a oblique an oblique the are not used before abstract noun and material noun. But okay, just write the examples. Honesty dash honesty is a great virtue of a man. Honesty is a great virtue of a man. So here honesty is abstract noun. I will use here cross. Kindness dash kindness is divine. Okay, so kindness is an abstract noun. I will use here cross. Okay, 3 dash water is an important element of our environment. So water is material noun. I will use here cross. No article will be used here. Dash milk is a nutritious food. So milk is material noun. I will use here cross. Milk is a nutritious food. So okay, everybody, you see here. What have I said here? A, an, or the is not are not used before the name of abstract noun and material noun. So I have given here for examples. Dash honesty is a great virtue of a man. Dash honesty. So honesty is abstract noun. What type of noun? Honesty. Shatota. Okay. Honesty is the name of a quality. Honesty is the name of a quality. So honesty, as honesty refers quality, it is abstract noun. So I have used here cross. In the same way, kindness is divine. Kindness is also the name of a quality. Kindness is the name of a quality. So I have used here cross before kindness. And then I have used another 2 examples. I have given another 2 examples. Dash water is an important element of our environment. So dash water is an important element of our environment. Dash water is material noun. So I have used here cross mark. Okay, and then rule number 4. Example 4. Dash milk is a nutritious food. Cross milk is a nutritious food. No article is used here. No article is used here as milk, water, kindness, honesty. All these are uh, to abstract noun and the rest to okay material noun. So I haven't used any article before this, but the also will used maybe used before them. You see, not okay. You write here a not. If if abstract noun if abstract nouns oblique material nouns are particularly mentioned in a sentence, we will use the before the nouns. Okay, so if abstract nouns or material nouns are mentioned particularly here it is mentioned particular of a place, of an industry, or like this. Okay, at the moment we'll use the before the material noun, before material nouns or abstract nouns. So you see here examples: dash honesty of your father is praiseworthy. Dash honesty of your father. Dash honesty of your father. Here, honesty is mentioned particularly of a person, that is your father. Okay, and for this reason, I'll use here the. The honesty of your father is praiseworthy. Another example you can see here: dash kindness of prophet. Dash kindness of prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is known to all. Okay, you see here dash kindness of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So kindness of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Here kindness is specifically or particularly is mentioned here of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Okay, so here the person or the man is mentioned here particularly, and for this reason I use here kindness, the before kindness. I will use here the before kindness. And then you see another example: dash water of this bottle is not pure. Okay, dash water of this bottle is not pure. Here water is mentioned specifically or particularly of a bottle, and for this reason we will use here the before water. Though water is material noun, okay, we will use here the before water. Here water is mentioned of a particular bottle. Okay, so the water of this bottle is not pure. Another example I'll give you here. Dash gold of South Africa, South Africa is pure. Dash gold of South Africa is pure. So gold of South Africa, gold of South Africa of a particular place. Here gold is mentioned of a particular place, edge of a particular place, and for this reason we will use here the before gold. The gold is material noun, but here gold is mentioned of a particular place. In this case, we must use here the. Okay, so another example, other rules. Maybe rule 4 or 5, 4. Okay. So you see here, the is not used. The is not used before man. Okay, when man is mentioned, man is mentioned as, when man is mentioned as human being. Human being. Okay, when man is used as a human being, at that moment we will not use the before man. Giving you an example, dash man is mortal. So man is mortal. Here man indicates or man refers to human beings, human race, and for this reason we will not use here any article before man. Okay, note. You write here a note. If man refers to a particular person, or definite person, you can say, if man refers to a particular person, the will be used. Then the will be used before man. Okay, before man. Now you see here an example. I know the man who sang a patriotic song. I know the man who sang a patriotic song. So a man who sang a patriotic song, that is mentioned here. Here, this man, okay, man is mentioned here. The man who sang a patriotic song. So a man singing a patriotic song is known to me. Okay, so or I know the man. So here man is definitely or particularly mentioned here. Okay, and in this case I have used here the I'm giving you another example. The man standing at the door is my friend. Okay, the man is standing at the door. Standing at the door. Here, man is mentioned here. A man standing at the door. Okay, so the man who is standing at the door is my friend. So here, man is mentioned here. Here man is mentioned here as who is standing at the door. And for this reason, I have used here the before man. Okay, everybody. So this is the first class of omission of article a and the. And then I will come to you taking another class.